This isn't just a toy car. It's a speed demon in miniature form.
Let's see what makes the Nerve Hammer the star of the Hot Wheels track.
The Hot Wheels Nerve Hammer is a must-have for collectors and racing enthusiasts alike. And today I'm diving into what makes this car so special. From its sleek, futuristic design to its bold paint job and striking decals, the Nerve Hammer is built to turn heads. Its aerodynamic body and high-performance wheels make it perfect for high-speed racing and tight cornering. I tested it on the classic Hot Wheels Mega Loop track, and it delivered smooth, fast runs while proving its durability through multiple crashes. Whether you're looking to add a standout piece to your collection or searching for the perfect gift for a young car enthusiast, the Nerve Hammer checks all the boxes. And the best part, you can grab yours today using the affiliate link in the description for an exclusive deal that also helps support the channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more epic reviews. And let me know your thoughts on the Nerve Hammer in the comments below. Keep racing and stay awesome.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.